Okay, doing another video on the Lionel amusement park swing. This is my second one. I had bought one that didn't work and I couldn't figure out the wiring. It had a wired harness to a controller and it didn't have the controller, it had the harness, and I couldn't figure it out. So I bought a second one not working. This one that had the controller and everything worked but the motor on it, but we did wire it directly, so as soon as you turn it on or apply power to it, it comes on. And we ended up finding a bad Zener Diode. There's like a 4.3 volt Zener Diode on the motor board that was shorted in this one, so we replaced the diode. We got rid of the controller and the harness, and we have it so you apply power to it, it's on all the time. These things run on 15 to 18 volts AC, not DC, that's AC. And I bought this adapter. Neither one of them came with an adapter, so I bought this adapter, which I'm keeping. And if you can see it, if I can zoom in, this is 16.5 volts, which is right in between that 15 to 18 volt. And this one is like 2.4 amps, 2.42 amps. So it'll probably drive 3 or 4 of these things if I hooked all of them together to it. So I'm keeping my adapter, but that's showing the repaired amusement park swing. It's no longer wired, everything is just direct. So again, I'm going to turn it on with the power strip here, and it comes on, there that's loading up, I guess, on the swing. It goes through a cycle. Music changes, starts to ride. They start to spinning. Oh, I got some people tangled on there. This one is missing quite a few of the flags. When the shipper shipped it to me, one of them didn't come with any flags, and the other one, about half were broken. So I did put the good flags on this one. But the other one that I'm keeping, no flags, but it looks, perfect without them. Or good enough for me anyway. It does have some discoloration right there. And again, the only wire coming through this one is the power cord from underneath. There's a there's a speed control adjustment with a small screwdriver, so I could speed that up or slow it down even more. I got it turned down fairly slow. If you start speeding it up there, start swinging out, make a crazier ride. But I'm an old guy. I like the old guy ride, so I made it nice and slow for the old people. Anyway, this is going to be it for this second one, repaired Lionel Carnival swing. And that's all it do. Plays the music, swings them around, stops. I do like that it cycles like that. Some rides, they just, cycle full strength all the time. That I don't like. Okay, that's it for this one.